In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur an image in Microsoft Word. Blurring an image in Word is a quick way to hide sensitive details or gently soften a background without leaving your document. You don't need any extra software, and it takes just a few clicks. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along with the document you already have open. Start with your document open and the picture you want to blur already on the page. Click the image once to select it. When a picture is selected, you'll see small handles appear around its edges, and a new tab should appear on the ribbon at the top called Picture Format. If you don't see that tab, it usually means the image isn't currently selected, so click the picture again to make sure it's active. With the image selected, go to the Picture Format tab on the ribbon. Look for Artistic Effects. Depending on your window size, this may appear as a button or a small icon within the Adjust group. Click Artistic Effects to open a gallery of visual styles. You'll see a panel with thumbnail previews like pencil, paint, and other stylized options. As you move your mouse over each thumbnail, Word often shows you a live preview on your image. This is helpful if you want to quickly see what each effect would look like before committing to it. From that gallery, click Blur. The moment you select Blur, Word applies a soft, even blur across the entire image. This can be extremely useful for obscuring faces, addresses, or any background details you don't want to stand out. If the blur appears subtle at first, that's normal. Word's blur is designed to look natural. You can always compare the result to your original by pressing Undo if you change your mind, and then reopening Artistic Effects to try again, or pick a different effect. On Windows, Undo is typically Ctrl+Z. On Mac, it's Command+Z. A couple of quick pointers while you're working. Make sure only the image you want to affect is selected before you apply the blur, especially if your document contains multiple pictures. Also, if your ribbon is minimized, expand it so you can see the picture format tools more easily. And remember, the blur effect applies to the entire picture in Word. If you need to hide only a small portion, consider cropping or covering that area with a shape separately in your layout. That's all there is to it. Click the image, open Artistic Effects from Picture Format, and choose Blur. Simple, fast, and effective right inside Microsoft Word.